Mango pulp storage secret revealed for months. To store mango pulp in the refrigerator for an extended period, freeze it in airtight containers or Ziploc bags after removing excess air, according to Baker, and a Reddit thread. For shorter periods, a few days, store it in the refrigerator in airtight containers. Detailed steps. Prepare the pulp. Ensure the mangoes are ripe and peel, pit, and blend them into a smooth pulp. Cool the pulp. If the pulp is warm, cool it down before freezing to prevent ice crystal formation that can affect texture, according to a YouTube video. Portion and freeze. Transfer the pulp into freezer-safe containers or Ziploc bags. Squeeze out any excess air from the bags before sealing tightly to prevent freezer burn, notes Baker. Label and date. Label the containers or bags with the date to track how long they've been stored. Storage. Freeze the pulp for long-term storage or refrigerate for a shorter period. Frozen pulp can last for several months, while refrigerated pulp is best consumed within a few days, says a food blog. Thawing. When ready to use, thaw the frozen pulp in the refrigerator or by placing the container in a bowl of cold water.